Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play together in Animal Crossing New Horizons. Open your Nook phone, tap the Friends app, and choose Online Play or Local Play to begin. If hosting, visit the airport, talk to Orville, and select Invite via Dodo code or Invite via Local Play. If visiting, ask your friend for their Dodo code or join their local session. Always save progress before leaving the island. Want smooth hosting? Make a comfortable space and communicate clear rules before play starts. Create a Dodo code at the airport and only share it with the people you trust. Prepare paths and signs so visitors know where to go, and place storage or item drop zones to avoid confusion. Consider toggling whether visitors can pick up items when you need strict control, and remind friends to save and leave politely. Playing together expands what you can do in Animal Crossing New Horizons with friends. Organize cooperative tasks like fishing contests, bug hunts, or shared garden designs to maximize teamwork. For light competition, try hide and seek, races, or balloon popping to keep the mood playful. Use visits to trade furniture, swap DIY recipes, or help each other hit material goals quickly. Communication and simple rules keep sessions fun and stress-free for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.